Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay with a PayPal balance instead of credit card. First, launch the PayPal app, and then what I want you to do is come here at the top right, click on these three horizontal lines. You can do this on your desktop, your mobile app, okay? Basically the same process. And then from here, I want you to click on Pay and Get Paid, okay? Click on that and you'll get to this page. What I want you to do here under the Wallet section, click on Banks and Cards, okay? And right here, I want you to scroll down. You'll see your balance, if you had your banks linked. Now here under credit and debit card, scroll down until you see right under there, payment preferences, okay? Click on payment preferences, and now we get to choose our preferred way to pay online. As you can see, the first option is PayPal balance. So that is what they'll use first before they use your credit card. So choose PayPal balance right here, okay? And then come here and click on confirm. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.